Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, let us discuss the chapter linear inequations. Okay, from this IIT Foundation course. The complete linear inequations I'll explain in this following topics. If you see the topics here, first we'll see the solution set in the linear inequations. Next we'll see some properties of the linear inequations. So properties you must know. And main thing is graphical notation, the graph of subsets, natural number, whole numbers, integers on number line, and the set of real numbers between two given numbers on the number line. Based on this, linear inequations with one variable on number line problems and some more problems on linear inequations. Okay, again problems based on the number line in linear inequations. Same solving inequation and representing on the number line. Okay, same type, the 7th and 8th, but we'll see different type of sums. And last one more topic is quadratic inequalities in one variable. So it is a quadratic inequation. It's not quadratic equation. Inequalities from the quadratic in one variable we'll see. So these are the topics including examples and everything will go through clearly. Let us start the first topic, solution set in linear inequations. So what is linear inequation, how to define, and let us see here. Yeah, okay, so this is the topic, linear inequation. So we already studied linear equations. Linear equations we studied, and this is a linear inequation. So let us see the definition, how we can define this linear inequation and what are the general form of linear inequations we'll see now. If you understand the definition, a statement, so any mathematical statement of inequality between two expressions involving a single variable, because the linear involving a single variable x. Let us take the variable is x with highest power 1. So the highest power is the degree is 1, that is. So degree of the equation is 1. So that is called a linear inequation. Now if you see the example, for example, two expressions with a single variable, like 2x plus 5 is less than 3. Okay, 3x plus 2 less than or equals to 8. These are the examples. That is x by 2 greater than or equals to 5. Or 4x minus 3 is greater than 7. So if you see these four examples, there is a less than symbol, less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equals to. Only these four symbols. And between that, it's a statement inequality between two expressions, LHS and RHS side. 2x plus 5, this side is 3. Involving a single variable x. Only there is a single variable is x. No other variables. That means only one variable should be. If you see the general form based on these examples, so general form is of this linear equations we can write like this. Out of this 4, that is ax plus b greater than c. So here is a, b, c are real numbers. Otherwise ax plus b greater than or equals to c. Similarly, see another form, same ax plus b less than c, then ax plus b less than or equals to c. Okay, these are the four general forms, where here is the important condition is a, b, c are real numbers. These three are real numbers and one variable must be, that's why a is not equals to 0. So if a is 0, there is no variable, there is no x, that's why compulsory a is not equal to 0. These are the general form. So any linear inequation out of this 4 means here is a greater than or equals to, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These four symbols must be in any example. to say it is a linear inequation. Right, now let us see some problems, solution set, how to define. So before that, let us see the replacement set. Replacement set or domain of the variable. Domain of the variable. If you see this meaning of this, for example, let us take one set. X is less than 5. One example I took. Here is X condition, you should say X maybe belongs to natural number, or X is belongs to whole number, or X is belongs to integers. That is, we should replace. Here is the main domain is natural number. Replacement means in the place of X, we can replace only natural numbers, no other numbers, because X belongs to natural number, and X is less than 5. So what we can write? X is less than 5 means 4, 3, 2 and 1, because X belongs to only the natural number. So natural numbers only from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 only for this statement. So in the place of X we replaced 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the replacement set. You can make like this. Okay, let us give me one more deep example. Instead of natural number, let us take 3. Okay, for same X is less than 5. Then when x is equals to, or X belongs to, this is the belong symbol, natural number, and same X belongs to the whole numbers, X belongs to integers. These 3 we can take, for example. So if we take these 3, how we can write? So we can notice this same as it is we can take. So based on that given, X is less than 5, first case. The solution set, already we discussed that, no, less than 5 only natural numbers, so there are only 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solution set. Solution set for X is less than 5 when X belongs to natural number. And for second one, X belongs to whole numbers. Whole numbers are start from 0. So less than 5 means same 1, 2, 3, 4. And third one is X belongs to integers. So we know that integers from all the positive, negative numbers including 0. That's why same this is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and this side is -1, so on, all -2, -3 till infinite we can take. So this is the solution set for this. So like this we will see the more problems based on this chapter. When they will give the condition, the statement should give linear inequation, and the domain, it must be given. So they will give compulsory the domain, this to replacement set or domain of the variable, they must give in the question. Based on that we need to take the solution set. Right, this is one. And next after this we have according to our topics, let us see some properties of linear inequations now. So all the what are the properties are there? So let us see now. Properties of linear inequations. So there are 4 important properties. Let us see one by one. So along with the examples I will explain. So first one, adding the same number of expression to each side of the inequation does not change the inequality. So first one is adding. If by adding the same number, to each side of the inequation does not change the inequality. So that is, for example, if you see, we know that 3 is less than 7, right? For example, if I add the same number both the sides, then for 3 you can add +2, same for 7 also, just add +2. Then 3 plus 2 is 5, is less than 7 plus 2 is 9. This is normal example. If we take linear inequation is like 3x plus 2 is greater than 14. So this is one linear inequation. By adding the same number both the sides, so this greater than symbol will be greater than itself, there is no change. That means if I add +3 and +3 both the sides, then 3x plus 5 is greater than 17. This also satisfies the same. So by adding the same number both the sides, so then linear inequation, so that does not change. So whatever the inequation is there, the value does not change, the same results will come. Next one, subtracting the same number. Subtracting the same number, same as it is, same number to the expression both the sides. To expression both the sides, if we subtract, then that inequation does not change. This also same. If you see the example like previous, simple example only. For example, 10 is less than 14, right? 10 is less than 14. Subtracting same number both the sides, then does not change. So if I subtract minus 6 and minus 6, so 10 minus 6 is the 4, 14 minus 6 is 8, right? So 4 is less than 8. This also satisfies. If you see one linear equation with one variable, like 2x is greater than, if it is 5, 2x is greater than 5, then by subtracting the same number, same if we do, that is for example minus 3 and minus 3, then 2x minus 3 greater than 5 minus 3 is 2. Same, whatever the rules will apply for this, same as it is, so it does not change. If it is a less than symbol, same less than only keep, greater than, same greater than only should keep. And third one is first and second, just adding and subtracting the same number does not change. Third is multiplying or dividing. Third, fourth are important. Just if you can multiplying or dividing. Each side of an inequation by the same positive number. So I take care positive number. First and second questions, first and second properties, what are the number? But third properties, multiplying or dividing each side of an equation by the same positive number. Then this also does not change. Even if you multiply or divide the same positive number, does not change the inequality. So whatever the inequality, that does not change. Let us see the example. So for example, same previous 8 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 6. By multiplying or dividing with the same number. So let's take multiply with 3 and 3. Only positive number, not negative. This is important here. By only multiplying or dividing with the positive number, 8 3 is 24, 6 3 is 18. Yeah, 24 is greater than 18. Same if you divide by 3 also. Then 8 divided by 3 is greater than 6 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3 value, this is 2. So 8 by 3 is obviously greater than 2 because 8 divided by 3 is more than 2 it is. And in equation, if you take like 3x plus 4 is less than 7. If it is an equation, by multiplying or dividing the same positive number, that's important. If I multiply plus 2, 3x plus 4, same plus 2 if you multiply 7. Then this is a 6x plus 8. If you multiply less than 2 into 7, 14. So same it is. So whatever it is, same will come this. Right? If it is only positive number, does not change. And the fourth property, same like third, but with negative. So what will happen? Let us see. This is only important. We need to suppose remember multiplying or dividing. Multiplying or dividing each side same. Each side of an inequation. By the same here I am taking by the same negative number. If it is positive number, does not change. So by the same negative number, there is a condition is reverses the inequality. So I will explain how it is reverses the inequality. So let us see one simple example. I will show why you are getting like this exactly. For example, we know that minus 3 is less than 4, right? Because negative 3 is less than 4. So multiplying or dividing with a negative number. So for example, if we take one negative number and multiply. Now this side I am multiplying with minus 2. This also I multiply with minus 2. Then what will happen? Minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Okay, minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. And 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Now can once check it, 6 and minus 8. 6 is the greater compared to minus 8. So this less than symbol, it became greater than symbol. So these are the cases. That's why only multiplying or dividing with a negative number, we should reverse the inequality. So less than becomes greater than. Okay, just see one more example also. Not only multiplying, even dividing with a negative. Only the negative numbers, there is an important rule. Like take 4 is greater than minus 8. We know 4 is greater than minus 8. So I am dividing both with negative 2 divided by minus 2. Both one, same each side, we should use the same. So 4 divided by minus 2 is minus 2 it is. And minus 8 divided by minus 2 is plus 4 because minus minus cancel. Minus divided by minus is plus. So we know that minus 2 is less than 4. Okay, that's why reverse the inequality. So based on that, not only the numbers, let us take with variable. For example, minus x is less than minus 2. So from this, if I multiply with minus 1 both the sides, so this minus x becomes plus x, this minus 2 becomes plus 2, then less than symbol should be greater than. Okay, similarly, if it is minus 2x is less than 8. If I interchange the sign, that means here is minus 3 and 4, no interchanging sign. Then this becomes, in the place of minus 2x, if I take plus 2x, in the place of 8, minus 8, then this less than symbol should be greater than. We should interchange. So whenever, if you multiply with a negative number both the sides, I am multiplying with minus 1, this all. So minus 1 into minus x is plus x, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Then interchange. So this is the important rule. Multiplying or dividing each of the inequation with the same negative number, we should reverse the inequality. Okay, now based on all this, we can think one simple thing. If A is less than B, so along with that 4 topics, just remember these also. If A is less than B, that means B is greater than A. Okay, if A is less than B, then B is greater than A. Similarly, if A is greater than B, then vice versa, reverse. Then indirectly B is less than A. Okay, these are the cases also you supposed to remember. For example, x is greater than 3. So from this what you can write? 3 is less than x. Okay, if x is greater than 3, then 3 is less than x. Similarly, and for example, x is less than 5. So from this, 5 is greater than x. Okay, just you can remember these concepts because the next when you are doing graphing problems or solving linear equations, we'll use these concepts. Right? These are the main important 4 properties. And that fourth property is very important. Only when dividing or multiplying with a negative number, you should reverse the inequality symbol. Okay, these are the things in properties of linear equations. Right, next let us see the problems, how to solve the linear equations problems and how to represent on the number line. Let us see one by one. Graphs of subsets of natural number, whole numbers and integers. So let us see the subset of natural number, whole numbers, integers on number line. So how to represent the subset of these three on number line. Let us see one by one. First let us see the graph of one I'll take for everything. So the question is graph of x such that -1 less than x less than 4. Here is the condition is x belongs to natural number. Okay, so natural numbers are starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, so on, and whole numbers is starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, and integers is all the negative and positive numbers including 0. Now this one is the question, -1 less than x less than 4. X is a natural number but it's between -1 and 4. So between -1 and 4 means 0. 0 is not natural number, so 0 should not take. So that means this values nothing but 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 1, 2 and 3. X is a number between -1 and 4, but x belongs to natural numbers. So let us take this 1, 2, 3 on number line. So the problem is, this is simple. Just you can take one number line 1, 2, 3 and you can dot. Yeah. So it's 0. Similarly, so -1, -2, and this side is a positive, right side is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So because of its natural number, only we just you can keep the bubbling 1, 2 and 3. So just only the bubbling part I did. That means this darkened circles indicates the natural numbers containing in the set. So this 3, what are the numbers are there, we should keep some dots on the number itself. So this indicates the natural numbers contained in the set. So only 1, 2, 3. Right. Let us see one more. Let's see the second one. With whole numbers, let us take one. So graph of x such that here is a condition is -1 less than x less than 4. Same question, but here is a x belongs to the whole numbers w. Okay, based on this, if you see, x is a number between -1 and 4, x is the whole numbers. So in whole numbers there is no negative, but after -1 next is right side is 0, it is right. Only 0, 1, 2, 3 will get it. So for this 0, 1, 2, 3, extra one more. Same question, but because of the whole numbers 0 is extra. This we can represent on the number line. Same if you take, yes, 0 and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Same, maintain the same gap. We should darken the circles indicates the whole numbers. You should darken it. So only 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 you can just bubbling you can do on 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this indicates this numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 belongs to this set because x is the whole numbers. And these are natural numbers and whole numbers are simple. In case for the indefinitely, so infinite set is given, how to do? Let us see. Same, take with one infinite set. Is third one. So let graph of this first two questions is finite set. So numbers are finite, not infinite. If in case the question is graph of x such that x is greater than 2 and x belongs to natural number. X is greater than 2 and x belongs to natural numbers. So here is the solution set how we can make. X is greater than 2. So greater than 2 means next is 3, 4, 5. It's continuously. So it's an infinite set, right? We can take from 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this is all how to represent on the number line. Then we can take the same graph line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All we can't write. 7. I'll just extend more. 7, 8, so on. This is the same -1, -2, so on. Okay, so here to represent, we have values 3, 4, 5, 6 and until infinite. So we can darken the circles which is there present, that is on 3. Okay, on 3 you can one circle dot 4. Between 3 and 4 so many numbers 3.1, 3.2, but these are all not natural numbers. That's why only on the number I am circling this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers you are writing on the line till all you can keep, and you should keep three same circle. We should ending edge the about part. So upper part if you draw, if you keep like this, the meaning is infinite. So there is a number line in case the set is infinite. So 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, I didn't write 8. So leave it. Till there you can darken. And next to 3 circles, 3 dotted circles you can keep on above. It should be shaded completely. And keep 3. The meaning of this is not only up to 7. So 8, 9, 10 so on till finally or till infinitely. So that's the meaning of this. Okay, right, not only the right side, even take left side also. Let's see one more. For example, the graph of, let's take integers. One question. Graph of x such that here is a x is less than minus 1 and x belongs to the integers, right? So when we see this, the solution set, x is less than minus 1. So this is a minus 1. Less than minus 1 is minus 2, minus 3, this all. Minus 2, minus 3, because x belongs to integers. In integers all the negatives are there. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Now this to represent on the number line, same concept. Just we can take one line, draw the number line first. So 0, 1, 2 and negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on we can write. So all we can't write, just we can take the dotted circle, the darkened circles, minus 2. So on minus 2 you can keep. Next is minus 3, minus 4. So not only minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, even minus 5, so on till infinite. So I count the method, 3 dotted circles, 3 darkened circles. Just you can close entirely. Keep the left side. So there is a meaning of the darkened circles shows the integers containing in the set. And the 3 dark circle, 3 is dark dots. Also above the left part of the line. So left side above we should write. This shows that infinitely they are indefinite continuously of negative integers. So all the negative numbers continuously can take. Okay, this is the process in case the number system does like this. Only the graphs of subsets of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. This we can do. So next I'll explain one more topic, the graphs of sets on all the real numbers between the give. So real numbers are not included in this. If the real numbers are given, how to do? So let us see now. Set of real numbers between two given numbers on a number line. So when about the real numbers, so when they'll give number system about the real numbers between two given numbers, how to keep on the number line. So let us see with the example sums. For example, first one, the graph of, that means we need to represent on the number line. So draw the graph of x such that minus 1 less than or equals to x less than or equal to 3 and x belongs to the real numbers. So we know that real numbers. Now this one how to represent on the number line. So between two given numbers. So between minus 1 and 3, x is we should represent. So x is equals to even minus 1 and 3 also, but including all this, because minus 1 less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to 3. So because of previous we have discussed only natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Now this topic when you observe, should take the number line. In this, okay, 0, maintain the same gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So on you can write. So here is x is between minus 1 and 3, including minus 1, 3 also. So because of less than or equals to, because of equal symbol, we should keep one circle and should bubble this entire. If it is not included, that is a hollow circle. That we'll see next example. So because of including, minus 1 also including, and yes 3 also is included. let me take this. So this you should completely -3. So this is entire -1 is included and 3. So because of real numbers between -1 and 3, each and every number. So even 1.1, 1.2. So infinite numbers between those. That's why I should draw one more line on this entire. So just one dark line you need to draw. That's okay. Meaning of this is x is belongs between this -1 and 3, including all the numbers, including -1, 3 also. So because of -1 and 3 is included, just I instead of hollow circle, the complete circle is bubbling at it. So dark circle you should take. So entire circle should be dark with a dot. -1 and 3 is included. So this is the meaning for this. Let us see one more. One is not included case. So this is a graph of, let me take one example. X such that -2 less than or equals to x, only less than 3, and x belongs to the real numbers. Okay, if it's a natural number, whole numbers, integers, there is only particular numbers. But because of the real numbers, every number should be counted. So now this one, notice the same thing. Draw the number line. Minimum is -2, maximum is 3. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. From the 0 left side is -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Here is -2 less than or equals to x. So that means -2 is included. -2. So complete -2, we should use the complete dot. The circle should be closed. And x is less than 3. So 3 is not counted because x is less than 3 means even 2.9999 also is a real number. So 3 is not counted. So we can use just a hollow circle. The meaning of this. There's only small difference. So we should take like this. So that is the open circle. That is a hollow circle. Gap should be in between. That meaning of this is 3 is not included. And remaining all numbers are included. So you can draw a line on this line again. Which you can draw a little dark. That means each and every number is included in it. And here is the open circle. This is the closed. So this circle should completely bubbling this. Should be open. So there is a small difference here when you notice, because x is less than 3. Okay, 3 is not included. That's why 3 should be open. Okay, there is a small difference between when it's enclosed and not included. So it's included, it's not included here. Right? One more problem I'll explain. Let us see another one. So the graph of x such that, so let us take 1 less than x less than 5, and x belongs to real numbers. X is belongs to real numbers, that's why you should take in this way. So here is 1 and 5 is not included, but x is between them, positive numbers all. So if you see this, 0, -1, keep the arrow marks, no negative numbers, so only have from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, so when you observe here is 1 is not included because x is greater than 1. 1 is less than x. And 1 is not included. We can use for this at the place of 1. Only one circle you can keep, but don't bubble this. And x is less than 5. And 5 is not included. So for this also just you can keep the open circle. But in between 1 and 5, all the numbers, even 1.111 also real number, 1.2. That's why you can, every point on this, you can draw the line. Yeah, so every point on this we can make. This is the meaning of this, right? Is open. If it is included, we should use the complete dot. Circle should be dark. If it is not included, like open only, same like previous. This example is both are not included. So both the sides I used a open circle. So this is the special here. Here is a 1 as well as 5. Okay, not contained in the given set. 1 and 5 is not belongs to the given set. remaining all the points. Okay, if it is a content we can take, otherwise no. In this way, this is simple examples. Like this you can do any type. These are the set of real numbers between two given numbers on number line. Okay, again next we will see some more conditions based on the real line. If it is infinite, this is a finite limit between the numbers, is a limit. -1 to 3. Here is -2 to 3. If it is infinite case in this number line from only real numbers, let us see now. Set of infinite real numbers in a linear equation or number line. So we will see the real numbers but infinite case. How to represent on the number line from this linear inequations topic. So here is the 4 types we can take. One is x is greater than a, or x is greater than or equals to a, and x is less than a, and x is less than or equals to a. So in the place of a, any number. Let me take with examples. For example, the graph of x such that x is greater than or equals to 2 and x belongs to the real numbers. X is greater than or equals to 2. Okay, this is second type. So how to represent this on number line? So let us see. X is greater than or equals to 2. So 2 is included in this. That means when you take number line here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Arrow mark if you keep. So here is x value is greater than or equals to 2. That means 2 is also included. X is greater than or equals to 2. 2 is included and more the values. So because of 2 is included, we can keep this dark circle. Okay, because of included. And not only these two, entire all the values till infinite. That means for this, here is one should keep a dark. Again, you can draw a line till this ending. Until where arrow mark you are stopping, till there you can draw a line. Just make it a dark line. Okay, that meaning is x is greater than or equals to x is belongs to real number. So after 2, even 2.11, 2.12, every number till infinite. Okay, there is a meaning of this. Like we can take and see one more example. If it is a graph of, take this type, x is greater than x such that x is greater than 3 and x belongs to the real numbers. Here is x is greater than 3. 3 is not included. In that case, let us see how to make. Okay, let us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And this is same -1 here also -1. So here is x is greater than 3. So 3 is not included. Because of 3 is not included, as we discussed the previous topic, we should keep only the open circle, hollow circle. Right? Just only the should be gaps in between. Now from here x is greater than 3. 3 is not included. So this symbol indicates 3 is not included. After 3 every number is included. Because every number is included till ending. Till the arrow you can make some dotted line, dark line. Just like this. That means till here. Till arrow, until arrow you keeping no. So till there you can just draw this. So this meaning is x is greater than 3. Because 3 is not included. Right? Let us see for the remaining type also, less than a and less than type. So here is a graph of less than case and less than equals. Same like x is less than or equals to 3 and x belongs to the real numbers. Right? 3 is included in this but less than 3, all the values. X is less than or equal to 3. Same if you take the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -1, -2, so on. Simple concept is x is less than or equal to 3. That means 3 is included in this meaning. So because of that, we should keep this circle should be dark. And from here left side, x is less than 3. So till arrow is Till there you can draw the lines, dark line you can make until the arrow symbol. That okay, if you can make like this, the meaning of this is till arrow mark you can make symbol. So the meaning 3 is also completely circle is dark, so 3 is included and less than 3. X is less than or equal to 3, like this. And same like a second example, let us see the fourth one. When they will give graph of same x such that here is x is less than minus 1 and x is belongs to the real numbers. X is less than minus 1, so minus 1 is not included in this. So according to that, just you can take 0, 1 positive numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Here is x is less than minus 1, so minus 1 is not included. Just why you can keep the open circle, hollow circle you should keep. And from here all the values less than minus 1. Then for the remaining values you can keep the line. On the number line only you can draw one more line just to make some dark. The till arrow symbol, that's the meaning of this. Right, till arrow symbol if you can draw, that is minus 1 is not included all the numbers. So each and every number, even minus 2.1, minus 2.2, like this, each and every number on the number line, because the real numbers is infinite. So from less than minus 1 all the numbers in this, right? This is the case. So we have the 4 cases we can solve in this type. So this is a set of infinite real numbers in a linear equations on number line. Next, let us see the problems based on this linear equations, how to solve the problems and how to represent the solution set on the number line. Let us discuss now. Problems on linear inequations. So let us see few problems based on the linear equations, and next we will discuss how to represent that particular solution set on number line. Okay, now in this topic we will see the first solving the problems on linear equations and finding the solution set. Okay, let us take one question. Find the solution set. So find the solution set of, okay, one linear equation is 3 into x minus 2 less than 1. Here is the condition about x. So this is x belongs to the numbers 1 to 6. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So it's not natural number, whole numbers, integers like this. Instead of that, they give some set here. X belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to solve this first. After solving, then we should find out the particular solution set from this. Okay, so here, and let us see the given. So this is, we have in equation, that is 3 into x minus 2 less than 1. We should to simplify this with 3, multiply this both. Okay, 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 2, 6 is less than 1. Then adding plus 6 on both sides, that means minus 6 you can take right. So 3x is less than 1 plus 6. Okay, plus 6 if I add, this minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Otherwise you can take this minus 6 to right side plus 6. 3x is less than 7. So 3x is less than 7. Then x is equal to less than 7 by 3. Okay, 3 into x divided by 3. X value is less than 7 by 3. Then from this x is less than 7 by 3 is in mixed fraction, you can write 2 1 by 3. So you can do the division that x value is less than 2 1 by 3. So from this given set, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, from this only we should select x value is less than 2 1 by 3. So solution set is this. Now if we can write in the form of x notation, so therefore the solution set, that is equals to x such that here is x is less than 2 1 by 3, right? Some x belongs to a, I'm taking some A. That A is this values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm writing in the notation. That means that answers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which are less than 2, 1 by 3. Less than 2, 1 by 3 means 2 and 1 only, right? So just only 1 comma 2. So solution set is only 1 comma 2 from this. So after finding the inequation in the one variable, then based on that we can find out. So there is a simple problem, just I gave the set here. Let me show you one more problem. Okay, we'll take from the real numbers. Okay, for example, let's take this. Solve the inequation. Inequation will solve. So the question is 12 plus 1 5 by 6 x less than or equals to 5 plus 3x. Here is x belongs to the real numbers. Okay, so instead of giving the set like previous problem, they are completely real numbers. X is the belongs to real numbers. From this, we need to find out the solution set first. Okay, so here, if you see that, so is the given inequation is we have 12 plus 1 5 by 6x less than or equals to 5 plus 3x. Let's simplify both the sides. This is 12 plus 1 5 by 6. Okay, 6 1 is 6 plus 5. So 11 by 6. So 11 by 6x less than or equals to 5 plus 3x. Now we can take the x terms one side and numbers other side. So that we can do x terms take left and plus 12 take to the right side. So middle symbol less than or equal to same, does not change. This is a simple trick, directly you can take. So this is 11 by 6x minus 3x. Okay, plus 3x is left side is minus 3x. And 5 plus 12 right side is minus 12. Okay, already we know the properties, inequalities properties we discussed. Based on that, I'm doing 6 is the LCM and this is 11x minus 1 in 6, 6 times 6 3 is up. So 18x less than or equals to 5 minus 12, that is minus 7. 6 is dividing, take this side, multiply. 11x minus 18x less than or equal to minus 7 into 6. Okay, multiply 6 both sides, this will become that side. Then that is minus 42. Okay, 11x minus 18x is minus 7x less than or equals to is minus 42. And we know the properties. If you multiply the same sign, means for example if I multiply with minus 1 both the sides, this less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal. That we know the properties. It is important. So from this 7x is greater than or equals to 42. Okay, in case with minus 1 I multiplied both the sides, then less than becomes greater than. So we know already the properties we discussed. X is greater than or equals to 42 by 7, that is 6. So therefore x value is greater than or equal to 6. X value is greater than or equal to 6. This is the solution set. Then we can, so from this you can write final step. Therefore solution set x such that here is x is greater than or equal to 6 and x is belongs to the real numbers. In the notation we can write like this. Okay, so here is the important step is this, in case the minus 1 is both the sides, because I multiplied multiply minus 1 both the sides. So whenever if you multiply with the negative number both the sides, this will be interchange. Okay, less than or equal to becomes greater than or equals to. Based on that we got this. Okay, so these are the problems we can do for finding the solution set. Now next we will see same finding the solution set and how to represent on the number line. Let us discuss now. Problems based on number line in linear inequation. So in linear inequations, let us see few more problems, and we will take the two equations like less than or greater than, combine two ways we can see and how to represent those solution set on number line. Let me show you here. So here is you can see the problem. It's different. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation. That is minus 3 less than or equals to 3 minus 2x less than 9. Okay, so here is minus 3 less than or equal to 3 minus 2x and less than 9. Three statements here. So these are 1, 2, 3. So three expressions, and x belongs to the real numbers. We need to solve this, and again we'll keep on number line also. So we'll represent this solution set on number line. That also we'll see for this problem. Okay, so when you see this question, here is minus 3 less than or equals to 3 minus 2x less than 9. So in this type we can solve in two cases. That is first two will take, total we have three expressions. So 1, 2, 3, middle is repeated. That means minus 3 less than or equals to 3 minus 2x. We'll take one and we'll solve. This is the case 1. And for case 2, next to 2, last to 2, that means these two. That means middle is the repeated. Middle expression, whatever it is, will be repeated. So that is a 3 minus 2x less than 9. In this way you should take. Any problem is like this. So I will show one more problem also after this. First two and last two. First two will let us take and solve, and last two also let us take and solve. That means middle will be repeated for the both. Right. Now take the x term. Minus 2x take to the left. It's a plus 2x. Same, less than or equal to. 3 already RHS side. Minus 3 take this side, plus 3. Okay, 2x is less than or equal to 6. Then x is less than or equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 is dividing. So from this 2 ones are 2 3s are cancel. So x is less than or equal to 3. X value is less than or equal to 3. Let be equation 1. Okay, from this. Now next one, minus 2x less than 3, take right side, 9 minus 3. Okay, minus 2x is less than 6. To make this is minus 2x is positive, I should multiply with minus 1 both the sides. So this becomes 2x. Then in that case less than becomes greater than. So we solved the previous topic. That is minus 6. Okay, minus 1 should multiply both the sides. Then this whatever sign middle, it will be interchange. There is a properties in inequalities we already discussed. So x is greater than minus 6 divided by 2. Then x is greater than minus 3. Okay, cancel this. And from this, if x is greater than minus 3, then minus 3 is less than x, right? Because the negative, whatever it is, x is greater than minus 3 means minus 3 is less than x. Let be equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we'll write combine from 1 comma 2. So minus 3 less than x. Second one I wrote starting, because one element number should be starting. Minus 3 less than x, and x is less than or equal to 3. X is less than or equal to 3. These two I just wrote combined together. Okay, minus 3 less than x as it is. X less than or equal to 3. Yeah, both are matching, right? For this we can write the number line. Then according to this, same, x belongs to real numbers. That means x is in between minus 3 and 3, but 3 is included. Minus 3 is not included. So that topic already we discussed previous. So anything is given, let's take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So if it is included, minus 3 is not included, you can keep the open circle. X is less than or equal to 3. 3 is included, there should be closed bubble. Bubbling you can do. So complete dot. Now you can all the lines in between them. So each and every point between them is included. Skip one dark line. Yeah, so this is the solution set for this. Right. Let's see one more problem, not this. Yeah, let me show you one more second question. Same type, but let us take another one. Solve the equation. Solve the inequation. Here is 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, x belongs to the real numbers. So we need to represent the solution set also on number line. So according to the method, we need to take the two parts, right? Just we discussed. Let's take two separate. First two and last two. First two is this. That is 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. This inequation we can solve. And next to 2 means second one and third one. That is x plus 2 less than or equals to 3x plus 5. Yes. So in these two cases, we'll solve separately. X variables take one side, 2x. This is a minus x less than 2 plus 3. Okay, minus 3 is right side, plus 3. 2x minus x is x less than 5. X is less than 5. This is the equation 1. From this, 3x take x minus 3x. Okay, x terms one side, numbers other side. Only right side is 5, 2 is minus 2. This is minus 2x less than or equals to 3. So as we saw the previous, to change the minus 2x becomes plus 2x, less than or equal becomes greater than or equals to minus 3. That means both the sides we are indirectly multiplying with minus 1. Okay, just if we multiply with minus 1 both the sides, then that becomes, this should be changed. Less than or equal become greater than or equal. That's the case. Yeah, now 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3. So x is greater than or equals to minus 3 by 2. If x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to x. Okay, this is 2. From this both combined we can write. From 1 comma 2 we can write like this. Minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to x. X is less than 5 from equation 1. Same, x belongs to the real numbers. And here is minus 3 by 2. So this is the improper fraction converted into mixed. Sorry, this is improper, yeah, mixed if you can take, that is normal, 1 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 and half less than or equal to x less than 5. This will represent on the number line. So let us take the number line. Minus 1 by 2 is included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this side, because 5 also is there. And this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Here if you notice, here 5 is not included. X is less than 5. So 5 should be open circle you can keep. And minus 1 and half. That means between minus 1 minus 2, here is the minus 1 by 2. Right? So here you can take minus 1 by 2 is between minus 1 minus 2. This is included. You should keep the closed bubbling you can do. That means you should keep the dark circle. So all the points are between there is on number line. So we can make this simple. A dark line you can draw. Yeah, that's enough. This much only. That means here is the between minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and half. And it's a 5 is not included, but this included, right? So this is the solution set. We can make like this. So representing on first finding the solution set in two cases. Again that one you can represent on the number line also. Okay, let us see few more problems based on this. In case if any questions are more type, let us see one more sum. So here we can see some solving inequations and representing on number line. So let us see some different problems compared to the previous which I explained. So here let me write question. Write down the range. Write down the range of real values of x. So from inequations, they are x is greater than 3 and minus 2 less than or equals to x less than 5 are both true. To make these two equations true, we should find out the range of the real values. So within the one graph, we need to find out these two and to find out the common values. Okay, so when we notice this first one, that is x is greater than 3 is 1 and one more is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. So according to that, for this both we'll use the same type of graph. First we'll use for first one. That means x is greater than 3 and everything is for real values. Here also x is belongs to real number, same x is belongs to real. So let us take the same type lines for the both. 2 we can represent on the separate graphs, but same values, the same notation you can take, same position, 0 0 here similarly. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, same 1 2 3 4 5 6, like same position you can take and get clear idea. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, same 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly negative values, so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Yeah. So let us represent the first one. X is greater than 3. Okay, from x is greater than 3 we'll use this second line. We can use for minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. Here is first case is x is greater than 3. 3 is not included, but all the values are more than 3. So what we should take, we should suppose to keep the open circle is this 3 and all the values right side. So from this all the values from the 3 is not included. Yeah, just you can bubbling type you can do. Yeah. So these are all from 3 all the values, but 3 is not included. This is for solution set for this first case. And second one minus 2 less than, so x is between minus 2 and 5, minus 2 is included. So here's the minus 2 is included. So I should keep the closed bubble in this. And 5 is not included. Open circle. And between all the values, because x belongs to the real number. Yeah, these are all the values. Now from this both are true according to the condition. To make this both true, what is the common portion of the two graphs? So here is a 3 is there. This the only part is common graph. So we need to observe only there is a portion. So common portion is this from here to here. Okay, just from 3 also you can take, but 3 is not included. Slightly you can take. Yeah. So common portion is this, but 3 and 5 is not included. So you can notice because 3 is the open circle, 5 also open, but common portion is this between 3 and 5. That meaning is this. So therefore you can write directly the required set is that one x such that, so based on this both 3 is less than x less than 5 and x is belongs to the real number. Yeah, you can find out the common portion to make the both true. So this is the common portion, this is the required solution. Because this portion only both lines are there. This side is no second one, this side is no first one. So in this way. Okay, let us see one more problem. So another one, solve and graph the solution. Solve and graph the solution. So set of, here is 3x minus 4 greater than 11 or 5 minus 2x greater than or equal to 7. Okay, for this or this, we can make the common solution. For no need of common, just only solve and grab the solution they asked. Let us take this first one. We can make it 3x minus 4 is greater than 11. 3x is greater than 11 plus 4. Okay, minus 4 times this side. 15. 3x is greater than 15. X is greater than 15 by 3. So x is greater than 5. X value is greater than 5. This is one. And one more from this second equation. 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, minus 2x is greater than or equal to 7 minus 5. Minus 2x is greater than or equals to 7 minus 5 is 2. To make this is the positive, then 2x is greater than, no, so less than or equals to minus 2. So, okay, when you transpose the sign, that means both multiply minus 1 both the sides. There will be interchange, that we know. X is less than or equals to minus 2 by 2. X is less than or equals to minus 1. Two cases. So when you notice this, x is greater than 5 and x is less than minus 1. So we can't combine this together. Right, let a and b. So let us draw the number line for this. The 0 minus 1. So this is a positive 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So it is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. First case is x is greater than 5. So 5 is not included and greater than 5. That is 5 is not included. It's open circle and all the values more than 5. So it is arrow mark, till arrow mark we did. And one more is x is less than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is this. Less than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is included. Less means all the left side. This side you can take. So when you notice this, there is no the common values. So one is left and one is right. So you can make in this way. So for this, to make it is combined, therefore the solution set we can write. X belongs to the real numbers. X is the greater than 5. 1 and keep this union symbol, and same x belongs to R. Here is x is less than or equals to minus 1. Okay, so this is the solution set we can write. Solution set combined means in this way, union symbol this is. That means this set and this set is combined it is. Right, so in this way we can solve. Mostly problems are maximum this type only. Apart from this you won't get any different questions. And let us see next some quadratic inequalities. So it's all the linear inequations. Let us see one type of quadratic inequations, quadratic inequalities in one variable, and how to solve those problems also. Let us see now. Quadratic inequalities in one variable. So before seeing these quadratic inequations, we know the quadratic equations, right? So general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So from this quadratic inequations, so equality sign should not be. So for this inequalities, we can take those different things. So from this ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0, or ax square plus bx plus c is less than 0. Okay, these two cases, maybe greater than 0 or less than 0 we can. Then they are quadratic inequalities. And here is the important some property you must know. For example, if a into b is greater than 0, if two numbers are greater than 0, then here is a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. If a and b both are greater than 0, then only a into b is greater than 0. Or a is less than 0 and b is also must be less than 0. Then only a into b is greater than 0. Let us see example. 2 into, for example, to make it as positive. So we know that minus 2 into minus 3. So this is nothing but plus 6. So if both are negatives also, it's a positive because minus into minus plus. So 6, that is greater than 0. Even 2 into 3 is also 6, that is also greater than 0. Right? If both are negative or both are positive, then that is greater than 0. Similarly, if it is less than case, let us see here. If a into b is less than 0 means, then here is a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0. One should be greater than 0, one should be less than 0. Or a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0. These are the cases. So when you see minus 2 into plus 3, that is minus 6, that is less than 0. Even 2 into minus 3 is also minus 6, less than 0. Okay, one is negative, one is positive, otherwise first one is positive, second is negative. Then also that value is the less than 0 we are getting. Okay, so based on this concept, let us see the problems. All the questions will come and I need to solve. In this quadratic inequalities, okay, there are two questions I will explain here. Solve x square minus 6x plus 8 is greater than 0. Okay, so this is quadratic inequation. Now see, factorization LHS is the common, same like other problems. 8 is the constant, minus 6. So for this solution is x square minus 6x minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is greater than 0. Okay, already you know how to do splitting the middle term in factorization. We discussed that. Minus 6x is minus 4 minus 2. Take x common, x minus 4 minus 2 common from the next two terms. X minus 4 is greater than 0. Okay, x minus 4 into x minus 2 is greater than 0. X minus 4 into x minus 2 is greater than 0. So then here is the two cases. This value is greater than 0. If a into b is greater than means both must be more than 0 or both must be less than 0. Then x minus 4 is greater than 0 and x minus 2 also is greater than 0. This is one case. So from this x is greater than 4 and x is greater than 2. X is greater than 4 and x is greater than 2. This is one case. Or both must be negative. That is x minus 4 less than 0 and x minus 2 is less than 0. For these cases. Okay, to satisfy this. The other cases. First one is this. And from this x is less than 4 and x is less than 2. Okay, so this is a solution set to make this now. X is less than 2 and x is less than 4. X is less than 4 and x is less than 2 means x is less than 2 only can take. And from this greater than 4 and greater than 2. So greater than 4. So for example, number line if you try, you'll get idea clearly. So it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Here is first case, you see x is greater than 4. From this 4 all the greater than values. X is greater than 2. From 2 all the great values. That means the common part is only from here to here. This is all. X is greater than 4, more than 4 all the values. Greater than 2 means is all the values. In this common portion is this. That means nothing but x is greater than 4 only. So this one we should take. Similarly from next, x is less than 4. So x is less than 4 means from 4 all the values are this side. X is less than 2. From 2 all the values are this side. Okay, from the 2. Common part is from 2 onwards. So should take this. Okay, now these two combined we can make the solution set. Okay, x is greater than 4 and x is less than 2. So therefore solution set we can write like this. X such that x is less than 2 or x is greater than 4. This is the number line they won't ask, but we need to identify which common part you should take. So if it is the greater than case, x is greater than 4, less than case is x is less than 2, you can take. Right. Let me explain one more problem for clear idea. Solve x square minus 6x plus 5 less than 0 here. Okay, splitting in the middle term, solution is same, x square minus 6, right? So minus 5x minus x plus 5 is less than 0. So x is the common, x minus 5 minus 1 is the common, x minus 5 less than 0. You know already how to splitting and all. So direct I am taking the step. X minus 5, x minus 1 less than 0. So when two values are less than zeros, then take the two cases. So already we saw if a into b is less than 0 means one should be positive, one should be negative. So then x minus 5 is if it is less than 0 and x minus 1 must be greater than 0. Okay, this is one. Or if x minus 5 is greater than 0 and x minus 1 must be less than 0. Okay, these two cases. From this, x is less than 5 and x is greater than 1. Okay, and down from this, x is greater than 5 and x is less than 1. Now to make the common solution using this all, if you check the number line, you get clear idea. So first one, x is less than 5. Okay, it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This side is minus 1. So x is less than 5. So meaning of x is less than 5 is from 5 all the less values this side. More you can take. Yeah, all the values are this. Next is x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means from the 1 this side all the values. So common portion if you see, observe here, between 1 and 5. Okay, from this between 1 and 5 only you are getting solution for this, that is 1 less than x less than 5 for this case. Now let us see second one, x is greater than 5. So let me show with the other color. X is greater than 5. From this 5 all the greater values this side, so 6, 7, so on. X is less than 1. 1 is this side values. X is greater than 5, x is less than 1. There is no any common. Common means for this we can't take any common solution. So just empty it is. So this is empty and this is x is between 1 and 5. So overall, therefore solution set. So directly we can write that is x such that here is the 1 less than x less than 5. Right, if x is, these are the values, because for the second case is empty because from 5 this side and 1 this side there is no common. For this only this is a common area. Okay, right. So in this way we can identify directly. Just if we draw roughly number line, we'll have the clear idea on this. Right. So these are the quadratic inequalities in one variable.